Hello everyone, this is the homework video for homework number 24, rotation for Im1. It's giving you all the instructions right here, and you have to rotate the different shape to figure out what is the overall shape it is making. So first thing we're asked to do is rotate the shape A, B, and C 90 degrees clockwise around the origin. So ABC is being rotated. So I need to trace this. That's my A. That's my B and C. On top of that, I do need to trace my axis as well, so that I can tell when I have reached the 90 degrees rotation. Okay, here we go. Alright, so then now I'm going to rotate this around the origin, put my pen right there, 90 degrees clockwise. Clockwise means to the right. So 90 degrees means until the axis matches up again. Alright, here we go. Now that I have done so, I can move and finalize my shapes. This is my C. This is my A. Actually, that's my B. And A is right here. Okay. Now we are then told D and E 180 degrees around the origin. D and E Okay, so again, put origin is my center of rotation. When the axis match up, that's 90 degrees. Another match will be 180 degrees. Here we go. So B is going to be over here. So joins from here to there. And D is going to go from here to there. So that's going to be E. And that's going to be my P. Okay. And then lastly, we have F and G being rotated . Okay, and F and G rotated counterclockwise 90 degrees. Counterclockwise means clockwise is going to the right, counterclockwise is going up. And it matches up here. So it will be this shape right there. And that was G, and F is right here. Okay, so what is my shape? It looks like this. and I would say that is a bird. Okay, next up we have mixed rotation, translation, reflection. Okay, so we have to translate shapes A 7 units right and 3 units down. Find my A, 7 units right and 3 units down. So I'm just going to rotate 1 point. If I translate this 1 point, I need to move 7 units right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units right and 3 units down. 1, 2, 3. So this is my new point that corresponds to this. And relative to this point, the vertex, the top vertex is 2 left, 2 up, so it's going to be here. And then 4 to the left, and 2 left and 2 down. So this is going to be after A has been translated, 7 to the right and 3 down. Now we have to rotate B be 180 degrees about the point B. Okay, so where is B? B is right here. So I trace this, and point B is here. I'm also going to draw my axis over the vertical and horizontal line about the point of origin or rotation, and I need to rotate 180 degrees. So when the axis matches up, that's 90 degrees. 180 degree is the next match, is right there. Okay, so this is my B, is going to look like this. This is B rotated, and that was A. Okay, alright, now translate C 10 units to the right and 13 units up. Okay, translate C. Where is my C? C is right at the bottom, and we have to translate shape C 10 units right and 13 up. So let's pick the top right corner here, move it 10 to the right. Okay, so 10 to the right is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 13 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that top right corner of the triangle is over here. Relative to this, the left vertex is going to be 1 down, 2 to the left. 1 down, 2 to the left is here, and then 3 down is right here. So this is my new shape, and it is my C right there. Now reflect D in the mirror line B. So I'm going to get my tracing paper, and I am going to reflect D along this line of reflection. I'm going to give it vertical line so that I can tell that do not misplace it vertically. Okay, here we go. Alright, so it's going to look like this. So the vertex is here, and the vertex is right there, and the vertex is right in the halfway point of the rectangle right there. So this is my D. Okay, and reflect shape E in the mirror line B. Alright, so we have to reflect E in the mirror line A. Okay, here we go, and then reflecting it, it's going to end up here, like so. Okay, so let's mark the vertices. It's the corner there. That's my E. And then F, rotate F 90 degrees about the point F. So let's get this F. About this point F right there, and that's my vertical, that's my horizontal, and I need to do 90 degrees counterclockwise. Counterclockwise means towards the left, 90 degrees when the line axis matches up is right here. Okay, so it's going to be tip over there, and it goes all the way to this point. There we go. Okay, just rotate it, and that's my F. And then finally my G is translate G 7 units to the left and 11 down. Okay, so G, I'm going to move this left, bottom left corner here 7 units to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 here, and then 11 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is my bottom left corner, and then relative to this goes to the right by 2, and there is 1 above and 2 to the right, so it will look like this. So that's my G. So now let's outline the shape we have. Okay, that's my shape. What do you think it is? I think it's a cat. Okay, that's it for today.